In this video, I want to share with you 4 tools that I use to help automate and save time when it comes to generating leads and making sales for my business. Okay, so the first tool is called the Fast Start Inviter. Fast Start Inviter, and what that does, it's a Chrome extension. Now, I've done a video on this in the past where I explain all the ins and outs of it. So I'm not going to do that in this video, but what I will say is what it does, it's a simple tool that will go and send out invite messages, evergreen invite messages on your Facebook to your Facebook friends automatically. It sends out 10 a day. They're sporadic, no problems whatsoever, very simple to set up. And let me just show you an example of one of the messages. Let me just see here, right here. Here's an example of one of the messages that was sent automatically. I didn't send it, it was sent automatically by my tool. So it's called the Fast Start Inviter, and it's actually part of the Home Business Academy, which is a company that's been in existence for over 10 years, but it's been paying on time every time, does everything with integrity, provides ample support, massive value, continues to pump in more and more value. And they do have an affiliate program that pays 80% commission. So 80% per sale. And these are residual commissions, except for one product that is a one time product, but it also pays 80% commissions directly to you. And that is the highest percentage of residual income or percentage of income paid to you around. There's no other company that I have seen. Maybe there is one, but I haven't seen it that pays this much. So what I'm talking about, you go here to the affiliate, and you come down here, you watch this video, and then when I click on scripts and other marketing resources, you're going to find the Fast Start Inviter. Now, what's really cool is they just added this into the membership. Like you don't even have to pay extra for it. You can get it for as low as $10. $10, and it pays you $8 residual commissions. So this is a tool that anybody and everybody can use that's growing a business. It's fantastic. I love it. I'll be watching the game. I'll be going for a walk. I'll be riding the spin bike, I'll be watching a movie, whatever I'm doing, those messages are going out automatically. People are coming back, raising their hand and wanting to get more information. Okay. So if that's a tool that sounds good to you, go to the link in the description and grab that tool. You can get it for as little as $10, like I said. And that $10 membership, you get a whole lot more than just that tool. That's just kind of like an add on, but it's a really awesome add on to make it simple for anybody and everybody to start making sales, no matter what it is they're doing. Like, because it just works. When you put a message in front of people, some of those people are going to want what you have. Okay. Some of those people are going to raise their hand. And the fact that you can do it automatically is fantastic. Okay. So I'm going to go to the next part, scrolling all the way down here. Image generator. Okay. So image generator. Now, this is part of Home Business Academy as well. It's part of the premium product packages. Okay. And it's right here. So they started adding these tools in here. So we have image generator. What's cool about this is you can create any kind of image you want. So for example, here's one. It has a AI prompt assistant, so you can type in just what you want and it's going to spit out, like it's going to ask you questions and it's going to spit out the video or the image, the prompt. Okay, so you don't have to be good at prompt writing or anything like that. And you get 3 credits a day, so you can do 3 of these a day. And I'm not great at this. I don't spend a lot of time at it. But you can make YouTube thumbnails, Facebook banners, pretty much anything you want with this. And this is included with the premium product, which actually has, get this, 5 days a week live coaching. Okay, so 5 days a week live coaching. And this is evergreen marketing coaching by 6 and 7 figure earners. Plus, there's a whole lot more in there. Okay. The next thing I want to go to is Smart Post. Okay. That's under the same area, the premium. So I'm going to come back over here to premium. And I use this every day. I love this. Um, and what this does is this allows you to post a short video on any uh, on any social media platform really at the same time. So Like if I go to Magic Connections, you see Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, and there are other ones too. There's Twitter, there's LinkedIn as well. So you can post one video right here. You just upload it right here. And then as you can see, like I post to Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest. And the last video, it just goes out automatically. So it's a huge time saver. This is also included. This is something I use on a daily basis to grow my business, and it saves me a ton of time. Last tool I want to talk about is the Email Alchemist. Okay, this is also part of the Home Business Academy and also part of Premium. So, Email Alchemist. So, one of the founders of Home Business Academy, uh, he's been writing emails for 15 years, very good at what he does. Companies have wanted to hire him because his emails produce sales. And he took 1,810 of his emails and built this system here so you can actually use the model that he uses to write emails that's proven to generate sales. And all you do is you come in here and you just answer some questions. So, like, what are you most excited about in your business? You're just going to answer some questions, and then it's going to spit out a whole email for you that's written in the style that he writes in, that's proven to produce sales. And then all you got to do is you can go and you can either copy it and add it to your autoresponder, or you can use the in-house autoresponder that is within Home Business Academy that you also get access to for only $10. So it's really pretty incredible. But I love this tool, especially on days where, I don't really have too much. I, I'm kind of having, I don't really feel like writing myself. So I'll just come in here and pull one of these, and these get excellent open rates. I mean, I've been getting like 30% open rate and higher. Also, there's like the subject line area. So if you just want a subject line, maybe you wrote the email yourself and you just want to come up with a subject, you can just type in what the email is about, and it will give you a subject line based on his writing style. Okay. So this is another tool that's evergreen that any business owner can use. Email is definitely a big part of any business. So I love this. It's a time saver, and the emails are really great that it spits out story style. Really, really good, really well done. And like you have a guide here that kind of walks you through what a good email entails. And then, like I said, the subject line. So these are the tools I use. I use these on a daily basis, and I love this. One of the reasons I really like this program is because of its use value. I literally use this every day to grow my business, and it doesn't matter what business. It could be Home Business Academy. It could be something completely different. It could be an MLM. It could be an affiliate offer. It could be anything, because the Fast Start Inviter just invites. It's just a evergreen message that's sent out, but it's sent out automatically, so it saves you time. You can be driving a truck, you can be off at work, you can be at the beach, be at the movies, and that thing's working for you. And again, you can start for as little as $10. It's insane. Uh, and then all of this here, you could actually get all this and test this out for 2 weeks free. And so normally the premium is $125 a month, but you can test it out for 2 weeks, test out the tools, test out everything, go through the training, attend the masterminds. There's 5 of them a week, Monday through Friday. 6 and 7 figure earners are on there showing over the shoulder what they're doing. So if you need help with marketing, this is a great place, great resource. Okay, so thanks for watching. Go to the link in the description to get started. You'll actually be taken into a system that's it's called the turnkey system. I didn't really show you that, but if you want a simple system, here it is. You can't see the link because it's grayed out, but it follows up, it closes, it does everything for you. There's no setup. It's super simple. You just send people to the system, and the system does the work for you. Okay, thank you for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one.